again. So guys, in this video we will see how to create Adobe Creative Cloud taking longer to load. So guys, clear Creative Cloud cache and the preferences. Over time, accumulated the clear cache can slow down the Creative Cloud desktop application. So you open the Creative Cloud app, click the option on your profile icon into the top right corner and select the preferences from the drop down menu. Then navigate to the apps tab and click the clear cache button under the local cache files. Then restart your Creative Cloud desktop application. Another thing is guys, update your Creative Cloud app. So an outdated Creative Cloud app can suffer from bugs and performance issues that have resolved in a newer version. So open your Creative Cloud desktop app, click the three vertical dot icon in the top right corner, select check for the app update from the menu. If an update is available from the Creative Cloud desktop app itself, so install it and restart your computer after the update is complete. Okay. Second thing is guys, disable cloud sync and background process. So guys, background sync and automatic update can consume significant system resource, impact load time. So open the Creative Cloud desktop app, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and go to the preferences, then select the syncing tab. Toggle off and enabling the file syncing to disable the cloud's file synchronization. Navigate to the app tab in the preferences and turn off the auto update for your Adobe application. Then restart the Creative Cloud desktop app to apply the changes. Check the network connectivity and proxy settings. So guys, poor connection or incorrect proxy setting can server impede the Creative Clouds app. So verify your internet connection and speed stability. If you using a Wi-Fi, to try to connect via the Ethernet cable, temporarily disable any VPN or the proxy software. So check your operating system network proxy settings from any misconfiguration and restart your modem and router to fresh the network connection. Then optimize your system resource and background app. An overloaded system with many background application or significant resource will struggle to load Creative Cloud effectively. Close all the unnecessary application running in the background. Open the task manager or activity monitor. Identify any resources intensity process you don't need and ensure your operating system is fully updated to its latest version. Consider and adding more RAM if your system frequently run low on memory and free up the space on your primary drive. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.